Assalamu alaikum. Today we shall do the novel David Copperfield by Charles Dickens. This novel is from class 7th English literature, in which we will come to know about the life of David Copperfield and many things which he faced in his life. First of all, let's see about famous novelist, that is Charles Dickens. Who is Charles Dickens? He was the writer of 19th century who was born in 1812 in England. The Pickwick Papers was the first novel written by Charles Dickens in 1836 to 37. He wrote many novels through which he got fame in his life. There are many incidents in the life of David Copperfield. The first incident is David's job. Second one is downfall of Mr. Wickfield. Third one, elopement of Emily. And fourth one is Dora's death. Let's have a look on the first incident, that is David's job. As Clara was the mother of David, but she had died and David was left alone in his life. He faced many loneliness, but he had only Peggotty in his life, who was the servant of his family. She always consoled David and she always tried to defend him from the cruelty of his stepfather, Mr. Murdstone, who was very unkind person and immoral person. He hated David a lot and he always tried to send him away. His behavior towards David was very harsh and he used to beat him without reason. He sent David to do child labor in an early age, and he sent him in the wine trade company where David did the job, and his job was very bad and rough, so he was not satisfied. He used to wash empty bottles, fill them with wine and pack them. Second incident was downfall of Mr. Wickfield. First of all, we will see about Uriah Heep. He is the villain of this novel and played a negative role in the life of different people. He spoiled many people by snatching their property, and Mr. Wickfield was one of them. He had bad character in this novel. As Mr. Wickfield was the lawyer and he had an assistant, Uriah Heep. He had blind trust on Uriah, but Uriah Heep betrayed him very badly and seized his all property and position. Now the condition of Mr. Wickfield became very worse and his health was getting failure day by day. His daughter Agnes cared him a lot and she was very anxious regarding her father, Mr. Wickfield. Third incident was elopement of Emily. Who was Emily? Emily was the niece of Peggotty, who lived in Yarmouth. She was the childhood friend of David. She was looked after by Mr. Peggotty. Mr. Peggotty was the brother of Peggotty, and he loved Emily a lot. Actually, we can say that Emily was the joy and life of Mr. Peggotty. James Steerforth is the another character here. He was the old friend, school friend of David. And when David took Steerforth to Yarmouth, he met Emily and they both fell in love with each other. So meanwhile, Steerforth took Emily to Italy. Emily ran away from her house and gave a great pain to her family. But Steerforth was not loyal to her. He betrayed Emily. Fourth incident is Dora's death. As Dora is the heroine of this novel and she got married with David Copperfield. But after marriage, she became ill. She could not survive longer and she passed away. This was the very painful for David's life.